Welcome. Today we're going to look at the wireless communication headset. Let's see some instructions straight away. Bluetooth connection with PC. So there's two ways, either via the dongle or Bluetooth. And then you have in here all the information. It's a Bluetooth 5 by the looks of it, 5.0, and then they also give you some troubleshooting steps. In the box you get the dongle, which I'm not going to use because I can connect via Bluetooth, and then these are the headphones itself. I'll look in just a second. And we also have the alternative charging method. So you get the USB A to C, and you get this adapter. You could have it and you will charge when you place the headphones in. Some more information, actually a quick guide start, but I think that was enough what you could see in there. Charge base, USB dongle, and you also get like a nice carrying bag. So yeah, let's just take this out. So I've temporarily placed the charging dock in there, and as you can see, the headphones, they have these pins, so you just place them like so, and it should charge. As you can see, it's red. It's very hard to see if it has any indicator otherwise around the headset. No, but that indicates that it's charged. So whenever you don't use them, place them on the dock, and it would charge. Okay, so this is how they look like. Plus and minus for volume up and down, the call button and the light indicator. The on and off switch. Metal, seems to be like aluminium on both sides. Comfortable on the top. Enough cushion because they're very light, made of plastic. One thing I'm not a big fan is that this is plastic, so the hinges are made of plastic. I'm not sure if I can focus on them, but otherwise they do seem good. So I'm gonna put them on around my ears, and let's see if you can hear me better because my phone is connected to it now. Okay guys, so now it's recording through the microphone of the headphones. I had to do a few tricks because I'm using my phone. So yeah, the sound, let me know how it sounds to you. I feel like it's I had a quick listen and I think it sounds really good. But I'm sure you'll be able to tell a bit better from the video. So now back on my phone's microphone. So overall, I'm impressed with the microphone. It did block some of my, as you can hear in the back, there is a dehumidifier running, and it managed to block that to a specific level, which is good. It's nice that you have this charging option. You can keep it on your desk, and yeah, the only thing is in terms of listening to music, it's not really for that. So don't have high expectations in terms of music, but for calls it's perfect. So yeah, thanks for watching.